Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you my unboxing for my Citrus Twist March kit. Now I have had this for a few days, but I've not got round to unboxing it as of yet. So let's get this bad boy unpacked. So we've got a little card, Citrus Twist kit, good stuff right here, and then a nice little journaling type one on the back, so we'll put that to one side. And as usual, let's start with the papers. So if I can get them out of all their noisy packaging, we have some 6x6 papers here. I'm not sure which collection it is. It's looking like a crepe paper, but I'm going to flip through it because we do have them all attached as a book in this one. I like that one. Give you a nice striking layout. Maybe it's not crepe paper, I don't know. And we've got a nice, I like that one as well. Nice solid, loving the arrows. We've got nice geometric type pattern. We've got some little taxi cabs, that'll be a bit harder. Got a lovely wood grain. Sort of underground type map. Not sure where for. We've got some leaves on pink, a nice yellow pattern. We've got some stamps of different places around the world. Nice sort of, looks a bit like a field map. Nice black and white doily type pattern and some little envelopes and postcards. So they are the papers that we've got for this time. On 4x6 cards, we've got a gorgeous stripe one with a little cluster. And on the other side, it said, look for the magic in the little moments. And then we have a nice floral with a little stamp design. And then we have a sort of postcardy type themed, and that says, what's in the now? Liking those. For the cutter part, we have got sort of a travel-ish theme going on, but not too much. So we've got it happens all the time, get it done, on the road, day tripping, things like that. Time for home, so it can be travels, day travels, as well as of course trip travels, not to be missed. So that's the cutter part. And then on to, let's move on to the 3x4 cards. Always like looking at these. So we have today. And then we have a nice one that matches the sort of design of that 4x6. Beautiful. Just start and celebrate. I really like that one as well. And we've got some like little half circles with yellow and a nice check. Top 3. And who placed date and story. Current favourites. And good food, good mood. These are my people. And taking my sweet time. Lovely floral in a circle. And another nice circle. Nice journaling card. And a nice pattern. We've got sweet joys with some little butterflies. And adventure begins, taking it one step at a time. Nice journaling box. And this is us. Everyday awesome. Oh, and a beautiful little swan on a lake with some flowers. I like that one. And then we've got a nice pattern there as well with so much to be happy for. So gorgeous cards. Embellishments wise, we have some more puffies. I love this side puffy alphabet. I haven't got around to using these anywhere near as much as I should, but how gorgeous a size are those? And these ones are in a black. And then we have some more gorgeous puffy. We get them out of the packaging so that you can see them. And we have things like keep going, butterflies, rabbits, yay me, you're weird and I love you. I like that. Today's mantra, it's 2 AM for me. gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So we have those. We also have some Amy Tangerine paperclip words of hello, love, fun and yeah. They will be entertaining for me to use because I don't tend to use paper clips very often, but I'm going to challenge myself to get some of these on a page. And then for the stamps, we have unexpected turn of events, challenge, detour, routine, crisis, roadblock, OMG, yay, now, it's all good and no way. And then we have a couple of little stamps to pop those into as well. Liking those. And then, as always, the abundance of the die cuts. So, I do always like to show these. Not everybody who does unboxing videos shows these. And in a way I can see why, because you get absolutely gazillions, but sometimes I think it's just nice to see what they look like. So we have a little paper girl, so you can pop out the letters of paper girl on a notebook. We have a moon and a heart with flowers inside, a date strip, we have soul and some flowers, some circle labels and some normal labels, which are always good. Nice little floral frame. It says brave. More little sort of labels but different shapes. They're quite nice. We have a cute little star. Another sort of journaling label spot that's a bit different. We've got some flowers. We've got a budgie, little budgie bird. Right where I'm meant to be. We've got some little half circles, some tags. We've got review. I am liking the variety in these die cuts this month. We've got a tag. We've got some butterflies. Today's mantra. A little spring rabbit. Noted. This is everything. A little today tab, some more flowers. Record of transit. There is no beauty without some strangeness. We even have a chicken. There you go, it's my challenge for this month, get a chicken on a page. We have wild, another butterfly. Oh, and side, so wild side. Little half circle with home. We've got some more labels, some of your standard labels and some a bit bigger as well. Nice variety there. And we've got another one of these sort of different shapes. We've got a little flower, we've got lots of little tiny hearts. In fact, I get hold of them, these are all sort of little tiny hearts and stars. Always good for your little bits. Totally stoked, and a little cup, flower, little grouping of stars, another little budgie. That half circle says today, and lastly another little heart. So that is my Citrus Twist kit for March. Loving the colours, loving the freshness of this kit. So it's going to be really nice to get working with it. So and that's that. If you've liked what you've seen, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see what I get creating with this kit, please hit subscribe. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.